Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to reduce your data usage while using the IMO app, enabling the low data mode is a great solution. This feature helps minimize data consumption during calls and messaging, making it ideal for areas with limited internet connectivity. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After that, go to Storage and Data. Finally, find the Low Data Mode option and tap on it. Then toggle it on. This will enable the feature, helping you save data during your IMO usage. Enabling Low Data Mode in IMO is a simple yet effective way to manage your data usage. By following these steps, you can ensure a more data-efficient experience while using the app. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials.